नमस्सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य सिद्धान्तकौमुद्याः तत्पुरुषप्रकरणे सप्तमः भागः। फेब्रुवरी मासस्य 16 दिनाङ्कः। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते। We will do a quick recap of what we did last class. So moving on from Samasantas, we saw some sutras which are concerned with vidhis depending on a samasa. That is some adesha or some such thing which depends on it being a samasa when being followed by an uttarapada. We will see this totally at the end of the prakarana samasashraya vidhi. But a few of them which are relevant to Tatpurusha are given here. So there is first one which is Atva for the Purvapada, Akaradesha for the end of the Purvapada. So Mahat Shabdasya on Mahata Samanadhikarana Jatiyayoho Ityanena Atvam Kriyate. Samanadhikarane Uttarapade Jatiyar Pataye Chapare Mahat Shabdasya Atvam Bhavati. Ataha Mahadevaha Mahabahuhu इत्यादीनि सिद्ध्यन्ति। समानाधिकरणे इत्युक्ते कर्मधारये भवति महान् चासौ देवश्च इत्यत्र बहुव्रीहावपि भवति महान्तौ बाहु यस्य सः इति। महतः आत्वे घासकरविशिष्टेषु उपसङ्ख्यानं पुंवद्भावश्च इति वार्तिककारः। आत्वं भवति यत्र समानाधिकरण्यं नास्ति तत्रापि क्वचित् आत्वमिष्यते। घासकरविशिष्टेषु एतेषु उत्तरपदेषु परेषु महच्छब्दस्य आत्वं भवति। महाघासः महाकरः महाविशिष्टः। पुंवद्भावोऽपि महत्याः करः इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे सत्यपि महती इत्यस्य पुंवद्भावे महत् ततः आत्वे महाकरः इत्येव रूपम्। अष्टनः कपाले हविषि अष्टन् शब्दात् कपाल शब्दे उत्तरपदे परे आत्वं भवति. So ashtan will get atva. Havishi dhyotye when the samastapada indicates havish, that is a sacrificial offering. So ashta kapalaha purodashaha. Ashtasu kapaleshu samskritaha, that which is refined in 8 pots. So such an offering is called ashta kapalaha. गविच युक्ते तस्यैव अष्टन् शब्दस्य गो शब्दे परे आत्वं भवति। युक्ते अर्थात् गो युक्ते शकटे गम्यमाने. So when it indicates something to which the cow is yoked to. अष्टानां गवां समाहारः इत्यर्थे अष्टागवम्. अष्टागवं शकटं तद्युक्तं शकटं अष्टागवम् इत्युच्यते. So the samahara of 8 cows will be ashtagavam. A cart which is yoked to those 8 cows will be ashtagavam. So we have mahat and ashtan. Dvi ashtan anayohu atvam. Again it is atva. Sankhyavachaka shabde uttarapade abahuvrihashityohu. So when dvi or ashtan is followed by a sankhyavachaka, there is atva. Dvi becomes dva, dvadasha, ashtadasha, dvavimshatihi, ashtavimshatihi, dvatrimshat, ashtatrimshat. So it will not apply in ashiti. Ashitau na, abahuvrihashityoho ityuktad ashitau na bhavati, dvyashitihi, ashtashitihi. Ashtashitihi ityatra savarna dirghatvat आकारः श्रूयते किन्तु तत् आत्वं न. You have ashtan ashiti. न लोपः प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य इत्यनेन नकारस्य लोपः अष्ट अशीतिः इति स्थिते सवर्णदीर्घः अष्टाशीतिः इति आत्वं न. एवमेव द्व्यशीतिः द्वि अशीतिः यण्सन्धिः द्व्यशीतिः. बहुव्रीहावपि न भवति. द्वौ वा त्रयो वा द्वित्राः इत्यत्र. शतात् पूर्वमेव अयं नियमः. द्विशतम् अष्टशतम् इत्यादिषु न भवति. So very similar to it is त्रयस्त्रयः. अत्र तु प्रकृतेः नाम त्रि इत्यस्य त्रयस् इति आदेशः क्रियते संख्यावाचके उत्तरपदे. त्रयोदश, त्रयोविंशतिः, त्रयस्त्रिंशत् इत्यादि. अत्रापि अशीतौ न बहुव्रीहौ न प्राक्षतात् इति नियमाः भवन्त्येव. त्रयाणामपि अर्थात् द्व्यष्टनोः आत्वं त्रेः त्रयादेशः इति उभयमपि कार्यं विभाषा 40 प्रभृतौ सर्वेषां. 40तः आरभ्य 90 पर्यन्तम् अर्थात् प्राक्षतं तत्र विकल्पेन भवति. So before till 30, that is dasha, vimshatiः, त्रिंशत् इत्यत्र नित्यमेव आत्वं त्रयसादेशश्च. 40 प्रभृतौ विकल्पेन भवति. 42, द्विचत्वारिंशत्, 48, 48, एवं 43, 43 इति रूपद्वयं सम्पद्यते. एकादिश्चैकस्य आदुक्. एक शब्दात् नै पदे उत्तरपदे. So when eka is followed by na, there is aduk agama for eka. That is, it becomes ekad. Okay, and the na will also prakritya. Nai prakritya ityasti. Ekadihi nai prakritya bhavati. Ekascha adugagamah. So the nai will remain without the nakara getting deleted. The usual thing is nalopo nanyaha, kintu nalopah na bhavati. अतः एकाद्न विंशतिः अथवा एकान्न विंशतिः. अनुनासिक संधौ एकान्न विंशतिः तदभावे एकाद्न विंशतिः. It means 19. Ekena navimshatihi. So one less than 20. So it's a very specific sutra which applies only to this case. You can also do ekadna trimshat, etc. like 29, etc. So shasha utvam datru dasha dhasu uttarapadadehe tutvam cha. Shash shabdasya datru dasha ityetayoh uttarapadayoh utvam bhavati. The shash, the shakara will be replaced by u, and the dakara of the uttarapada will get tutva. That is, it will be converted to murdhanya, which is dakara. So sha u datru gunasandhau sho datru, and the prathama vibhakta ekachane shodan. Evam shodasha. Dha pratyeye pare vikalpena bhavati utvam. So utve sati shodha iti bhavati. Tadabhave षड्धा. So there is a question by Priya, which says, why are these Vartikas linked to this sutra? There is no connection, unlike this three Vartikas which we find under An Mahat. What she means is, like, if you look at the Vartikas under An Mahataha, they all are dealing with Atva, but that is not the case in here. So it happens, I mean, the reason could be two. I have not referred to the Mahabhashya, so I don't know. What happens is, sometimes Dikshitar might put in the Vartikas in some other case where he feels it belongs to the Kaumudi. He is dealing with Samasashaya Vidhi, so he might have put it. Or even the Vartika might be there because we are dealing with again Samasashaya Vidhi, some Prakratyadesha. There is no sutra which gives Utva or Tutva for Shashi. Okay, so if there were a sutra which gives Utva and Tutva, then Vartika would have been raised there. If there is no sutra at all, he will raise it in some place where there is a, say, Prakriti Adesha. There is some Uttarapada Karya. I mean, some Samasashaya Karya, he would have raised it there. But I have to see where exactly this Vartika belongs. Whether it belongs to this sutra or some other sutra is to be checked. Because from the Kaumudi it is not obvious. Sometimes he will change the place according to his convenience. And yes, it is sometimes difficult to find the sangati. That is why, say for example, now, actually right now we are dealing with the lingas in samasa. Suddenly he deviates and moves on to vachanas and then comes back to the lingas. So even the Vartikakara, even the Balamanoramakara says we don't know why. Chintyam, kimartham atra asti. Why did he suddenly bring in it? That section here is a chintya. So we don't know. Sometimes it happens with the krama in the Siddhanta Kaumudi. There's one more question. Shraddha. So there are two forms here. Shraddha, Shodha, ityatra. Haradatta mate yatra tutvam tatraiva yatra utvam tatraiva tutvam. तथा सति षड्धा इत्येव भवति. कैयटमते तु उत्वमेव विकल्प्यते टुत्वं नित्यम्. अतः षोढा षड्ढा इति तन्मते. Okay. So षड्धा and षड्ढा, two forms are there, different views on which is correct. Okay. Shodha is undoubtedly correct. Okay. Lingas. So after the Samasashya Vidhi, we have a few sutras which deal with lingas in samasas. So Paravalingam Dvandva Tatpurushayohu iti sadharana niyamaha. In a Tatpurusha, as in the Dvandva, Paravat Lingam. Uttarapadasya Lingam Tadeva Lingam Bhavati. Ardha Pippali, Ardham Pippalyaha. इत्यस्ति. अर्धमिति नपुंसकं पिप्पली इति स्त्रीलिङ्गं. समस्तपदस्य तु परवत् इति युक्तत्वात् स्त्रीलिङ्गमेव. एवं द्वन्द्वे कुक्कुटमयूर्यौ मयूरी कुक्कुटौ. द्वन्द्वे पूर्वनिपातस्य विकल्पः. So you can have this or that. So whichever is the linga of the uttarapada. Kukkutamayuryau ityatra mayuri shabdasya stritvat samastapadasya stritvam. Mayuri kukkutau ityatra kukkuta shabdasya pumstvat samastapadasyapi pumstvam. So everything else or almost everything else is an exception to this rule. Tatraiva vartikam asti द्विगु प्राप्तापन्न अलम पूर्व गति समासेषु प्रतिषेधः वाच्यः. एषु परवल्लिङ्गं न भवति. परवल्लिङ्गस्य प्रतिषेधः द्विगु समासे पञ्चकपालः अस्ति. पञ्चसु कपालेषु संस्कृतः इत्यर्थे कपालशब्दः नपुंसकः, किन्तु पञ्चकपालः इति विशेष्यनिग्धम्, अर्थात् विशेष्यस्य लिङ्गं तदेव भवति. पञ्चकपालः पुरोडाशः अथवा पञ्चकपालं हविः. So based on the Visheshya, it will change the linga. So prapta apanna alam purveshu, where the purvapada is prapta apanna or alam. So again we do not have paravallinga. So prapta jivika yena saha prapta jivikam, sorry, praptah jivikam. This is a tatpurusha samasa. Praptah jivikam, prapta pannecha dvitiya iti samasah. Prapta jivikah. Even though jivika is strilinga, the samastapada will be visheshanigdha. Similarly, apannah jivikam alam kumaryai, alam kumarihi. Gati samasepi paravallingatvam nasti, nishkantah kaushambyaha nishkaushambihi. Purvavad ashvavadavau. Ashvavadava shabdaha. So very specific, where ashva is the purvapada and vadava is the uttarapada. It is a dvandva samasa. Tatra purvavat arthat pumstvam bhavati. Ashva shabdasya pumstvat ashvavadavau iti pullinge bhavati ayam shabdaha. Ratran haha pumsi. Ratra krita samasantaha ratri shabdaha. Ahas sarvaika desha sankhyaata punyacha ratrehe ityanena ach samasantaha. समासान्ते कृते रात्र इति निष्पद्यते स च पुल्लिङ्गे भवति. एवं अह्न राजाः सखिभ्यश्च इति समासान्ते तथैव अह्नोह्नयतेभ्यः इत्यनेन अहन् शब्दस्य अह्नादेशे कृते अह्न इति निष्पद्यते. तत् पुल्लिङ्गे भवति. अह कृतसमासान्तः अहन् शब्दः. टच् इति समासान्तः क्रियते न स्तर्धिते इति टिलोपः. So etat sarvam api पुल्लिङ्गे भवति अहोरात्रः पूर्वाह्णः द्व्यः इति संख्यापूर्वं रात्रं क्लीबम् अस्य अपवादः रात्राह्नः इति संख्यापूर्वं रात्रं क्लीबम् क्लीबं नाम नपुंसकं द्विरात्रं त्रिरात्रम् इत्यादि if sankhyavataka as a purvapada instead of pullinga we have napumsakam apatham napumsakam so a specific word patha krita samasantah pathin shabdah tatpurushe nai purvapadam so when nai is the purvapada and patha is the uttarapada we have apatham okay, tatpurushe so bahuvrihau na bhavati so since it refers to tatpurusha there is it does not happen in bahuvrihi it is apathaha and in tatpurusha samasanta is vikalpa so samasanta bhavepi napumsakatvam na bhavati apanthaha samasante krite tatpurusha samase apatham iti rupam ardharchaah pumsi cha ardharchadi gane ye shabdah pathitaah te pullinge napumsakalinge cha bhavanti so they will be in two lingas pullinga and napumsaka so an example is ardha richa ardham richaha is samase कृत समासान्तः ऋक् शब्दः ऋक् पूरब्धुः पथामानक्षे इत्यनेन अ प्रत्ययः सो अर्धर्च अर्धर्चः अर्धर्चम् इति द्वेधा अपि भवति so this is what we did in the last class any questions So there is a small deviation from the lingas into vachanas. See, vachana is usually determined by what vachana we intend for the samastapada. You want rajapurushaha, rajapurushau, rajapurushaha. Vachanatrayepi bhavatyeva. Okay, so there is nothing special about it. But there are a few cases where even though, there can be a deviation from the actual vachana which is there. So those sutras are collected here. Jatyakhyayam ekasmin bahuvachanam anyatarasyam. Chatvari padani santi. Ekopi arthaha va bahuvad bhavati. Ekasmin bahuvachanam. So actually when it is a jati, when it refers to a class of things, okay, jatihi sarvada ekaiva. A class is always one. So when you are referring to something as a class, it should be ekavachana. But optionally we can also use bahuvachana is what it says. Brahmanaha pujyaha, brahmanah pujyaha. Brahmanah pujyaha, brahmana jatihi. So it refers to a class of people. So pujyaha, who are worthy of worship. So since it is a jati, it should be jati vachaka, it should be ekavachana. Brahmanaha pujyaha. You can also use brahmanaha pujyaha. Bahuvachanam api bhavitum arhati. So it is when you are referring to something as a class, you have ekavachana. It is as an individuals, you have bahuvachana. This is a natural thing we see even in when you have say sarva shabda. So sarvaha and sarve, what is the difference? So we have this. That is when you are referring to something as a group without any attention to the individuals, it is ekavachana. So a group with individuals also having equal importance is bahuvachana. So it is something very similar here. Asmado dvayoscha. This is interesting. Asmadaha dvayohu cha. So purvasmat jatyakhyayam ityasmat ekasmin iti anuvartate. Okay. So the word ekasmin is taken from jatyakhyayam. Ekatve dvitve cha vivakshite. Asmadaha bahuvachanam vasyat. The word asmad shabda will get an optional bahuvachana even when just singular or dual is intended. This is very interesting. It shows how you use it. In actual usage of the language, we see this not just in Samskrita, even in other languages. This is seen. In Indian languages at least, in Kannada and all. So vayam brumaha, we say. It is actually to say aham bravimi ityartheva आवां ब्रूवः इत्यर्थे वा वयं ब्रूमः इति प्रयोगः. You see this, say when many people speak about, say I do, we see it as we do. Say when you look at some Swamijis who are speaking, when they use Bahuvachana for themselves, Atmani Bahuvachanam. So there is a sutra which deals with that. So Vayam Brumaha iti, actual thing should be Aham Bravimi iti va, Avam Bruvaha iti va. Ekatre Dvitve cha Bahuvachanam Vasyat. You can obviously use Ekavachana or Dvivachana as intended, but Bahuvachana is also acceptable. Yes, Uttama Purusha only. Asmadaha, only for Asmad. You cannot say Te Bruvanti for Sahabraviti. Asmadaha, Dvayoscha. Only for the word Asmad. Savisheshanasya Pratishedhaha. Tatrapi kinchana vartikam Savisheshanasya Asmadaha. If you have an adjective for that Asmad, Pratishedhaha, the Bahuvachana is prevented. Say Paturaham Bravimi. Patu here is something skilled. So Patu is a Visheshana for Asmad. Okay. So Savisheshanasya Pratishedhaha. Tatra ekatve vivakshite ekavachanameva bhavati. Paturaham Bravimi. Patavaha Vayam Brumaha iti na bhavati. Okay. Paturaham Bravimi ityeva. Bahuvachane vivakshite bahuvachanam, ekavachane vivakshite ekavachanam. Kevalasya asmadaha prayoge ekatve vivakshite api bahuvachanam bhavitum arhati. Agrimam sutram asti Phalguni Proshtapadanam cha nakshatre. So there are a few rules which deal with the nakshatra, the stars. Probably usages of these are found in the Vedic texts. We have to look for it. Phalguni Proshtapadanam nakshatre. So asmaro dvayoscha ityatah dvayoho ityena vartate. Dvitve bahutva prayuktam karyam va syat. So Phalguni, there are two. Okay, two nakshatras. Purva Phalguni is actually two nakshatras and Uttara Phalguni is also two. So Proshtapada is another name for the Bhadrapada nakshatra. So which is also two stars together referred to by that name. So Dvitve, it's actually two stars. So there should have been Dvivachana, but there is an optional Bahuvachana. Bahutva prayuktam karyam va syat. Purve Phalgunyau, Purvaha Phalgunyaha. So even Purvaha Phalgunyaha, there are not many stars of Purva Phalguni. There are only two. But still you can use Bahuvachana. Purve Proshtapade, Purvaha Proshtapadaha. So for the Proshthapada nakshatra, which is the synonym of Bhadrapada. Nakshatre kim Phalgunyau Manavike. So only when it refers to a star directly. When you're saying Phalgunyau Manavike, two girls, Phalgunyau ityukte kaha arthaha, Phalguni nakshatra yukte kale jate. They were born under the Phalguni star. Ityarthe Phalgunyau Manavike iti prayogaha. So tatra tu na bhavati. So there it is Dvivachana only. You cannot use Bahuvachana if it refers to two girls. Okay. So nakshatre vachye dvitve bahutvam vikalpena bhavati. Tishya punarvasvor nakshatra dhandve bahuvachanasya dvivachanam nityam. So this is a compulsory karya. Tishya punarvasvoho nakshatra dvandve. So when you are doing a dvandva samasa of two stars, Tishya and Punarvasu. Tishya or Pushya, it is the same, and Punarvasu. Nakshatra dvandve bahuvachanasya dvivachanam nityam. So it should actually be bahuvachana when you are doing the dvandva. Okay. But it becomes like it gets dvivachana compulsorily. Nityam dvivachanam bhavati. Bahutvam dvitavad bhavati. So tishyascha punarvasucha. Punarvasu is again two stars and Tishya is one. So when you do a dvandva, it should actually be three, which means bahuvachana. Kintu nityam dvitvam bhavati. Tishya punarvasu. Tishya iti kim Vishakhanu radhaha. So he says it happens with nakshatra dvandva of only these two stars. If you have some other stars, Vishakha Anuradhaha ityasti. Vishakhe cha Anuradhascha. Vishakha is two stars. Vishakha, Vishakhe. And Anuradha is, I think, three, or I don't know the exact number. It is there it is a group of many stars. So Vishakhe cha anuradhascha iti sthite Vishakhanuradhaha iti bahuvachanameva bhavati dvitvam na bhavati. Tishya punarvasvoho nakshatra dvandve dvitvam. Nakshatra iti kim? Tishya punarvasavaha manamakaha. Again, if it refers to boys who were born under these stars, Tishya and Punarvasu, tatra bahuvachanameva. Nakshatra dvandve dvivachanam bhavati. So prayogas of these should be found, I mean, you'll either find it in the Vedas or probably some Jyotisha granthas or granthas of astronomy which refer to these. Laukika prayoge esham prayogaha bahu nyunaha, but still the intent of Panini is not just to deal with literature. Okay? So he will Vishakha is 5 stars, but it says Vishakhecha. I don't know. Usha says that Vishakha is 5 or 6 stars. I don't know. I mean, I'll tell you I don't know. I assumed it is 2 because the Vishakhe, at least in this Prayoga, it refers to the 2 stars. Anuradha, I have no idea. Sanapumsakam. So we are coming back to lingas. Okay, so we did a small detour to vachanas. So Jatyakhyayam ekasmin bahuvachanam anyatarasyaam asmadodvayoscha falguni prashtapadanam cha nakshatre trisha punarvasvor nakshatradvandve bahuvachanasya dvivachanam nityam. 4 rules in a series which deal with vachana vyatyaya. Now coming back to lingas, sanapumsakam, a very common rule which we use, I mean which is used frequently. Sahanapumsakam. Saha namakaha dvigureka ityanena uktaha dviguhu dvandvascha praniturya senanganam ityuktaha dvandvaha tachabdena paramrishyate. So the tat saha refers to these two. Dvigu ekavachanam, that is samahara dvigu, and dvandva samahara dvandva. Taucha samahararthaveva vivakshitau vyakhyanat. So by commentary we take samahara dvigu and samahara dvandva. Saha napumsakam, it will be in napumsakalinga. Samahare dviguhu dvandvascha napumsakam syat. Paravallinga apavadaha. It's an apavada to paravallinga because dvigu is tatpurusha and dvandva is dvandva. Paravallingam dvandva tatpurushayohu ityanena paravallinge prapte tasya apavadattvena sanapumsakam. Samahararthe vache dviguhu dvandvascha napumsakam bhavati. Panchagavam. Panchanam gavam samaharaha, a group of 5 cows. Tadhitarthottarapada samaharecha ityanena samahare dviguhu. So panchagavam ityatra napumsakalingam. Dantoshtham, dantashcha osthaucha esham samaharaha. It is dvandva, charthe dvandvaha. Dvandvascha praniturya senanganam iti niyamaha. Pranyanganam dvandvaha nityam ekavat, arthat samahara eva. So when you are doing dvandva of organs, different parts of an animals, I mean animal or animals, you it will be nityam samaharaha. So since it is samahara, it is napumsakalinga dantoshtham. Akarantottarapado striyam ishtaha. So these are very important sutras and vartikas for especially for dvigu samasa. So akarantottarapadaha dviguhu striyam ishtaha. If it is a dvigu samasa which ends in akara, that is samahara dvigu which ends in akara, sanapumsakam ityasya apavadaha. So it will be striyam ishtaha. It will be in strilinga. Panchamuli. Panchanam Mulanam Samaharaha, a group of 5 roots, is called Panchamuli. Dvigoho iti nip. Okay. So you have Panchanam Panchamula iti sthite stritvam. Stritve Dvigoho ityanena nip bhavati Panchamuli. So if it is Uttarapada is Akaranta. Mula. Okay. So Panchanam Mulanam Samaharaha. Similarly we have Panchavati. Panchanam Vatanam Samaharaha. Triloki, Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha, etc. So everywhere, if it is Akarantotarapada, it will be Strilinga. and if it is strilinga द्विगोः इत्यनेन ङीप् भवति ईकारान्तः भवति. Abantah va. If the Uttarapada is abanta, akaranta, in that if the word ends in ap is a stri pratyaya. Tap, dap, chap iti trayanam stri pratyayanam nirdeshaha ap iti. Abantah vikalpena striyam bhavati. Panchakhatvam, panchakhatvi. Panchanam khatvanam samaharaha. Khatva is a cot, a group of uh, 5 chords. So tatra panchakhatvam panchakhatvi iti vikalpena stritvam bhavati. Khatva iti abantam. It is an abanta pada, so it is optional. Panchakhatvam or panchakhatvi. Anaha nalopascha vachadvigu striyam. Annantaha dviguhu. If it is a dvigu ends in an, that is the uttarapada ends in an. Striyam vasyat anaha nasya lopasyat. It will be optionally in strilinga and the nakara of an will be deleted. Okay, so deletion of nakara is compulsory, strilinga is optional. Panchatakshi panchataksham. Tasti. Panchanam takshnam samaharaha. Takshan is a carpenter. We saw it again in Kautatakshaha, etc. So Panchanam takshnam samaharaha. Takshan ityasti. Annantaha dviguhu. So anaha nalopaha. The nakara is deleted. You have panchataksha. So optionally in strilinga, so it will be panchatakshi. If it is not strilinga, sanapumsakam ityanena napumsakatve panchataksham. Panchatakshi panchataksham. Patradyantasya na. So finally there is one Vartika. If Patradihi Ganaha, there is a class of words called Patradi. So if the word belongs to that class, then it will not be in Strilinga. Tadantasya samahara dvigohu na stritvam. Even if it is akarantottarapada, there will not be Strilinga. Patradigane uktanam shabdanam. Panchapatram. Panchanam patranam samaharaha. Panchapatram. Tribhuvanam. Trayanam bhuvananam samaharaha. Triloki ityatra bhavati. Kintu tribhuvani iti na bhavati. Tribhuvanam ityeva. Evam chaturyugam. Chaturnam yuganam samaharaha. Chaturyugam ityadishu samahara akarantottarapadatvepi stritvam nasti. And there is a thing. Patradihi akritiganaha. Then Akritigana is an extendable class. Okay, so where you have similar words, where Dvigu Samasa, Samahara Dvigu, with Akaranta Uttarapada, which should actually be in Strilinga, but Prayoga is seen in Pullinga, in Napumsakalinga. So it will be justified by putting it under the Patradigana. Okay, so even though, whatever words he has specified will be there, but there can be additional words based on the Shishta Prayoga. If Prayoga is in Napumsakalinga, it will be Napumsaka. Panchangam ityasti. Panchanam anganam samaharaha. So Anga is also Akarantottarapada. But you do not see the Prayoga in Strilinga. Okay. So similarly, somebody asked about Tripura. I don't know, how the Prayoga is there. Tripuram iti Prayoga asti chet tathaiva. I don't think there is Tripuri. It should be Tripuram. Okay. Trayanam. Or it might not be even be Pura Shabda, it could be Pur Rephanta. There is Samasanta, I think. Rukpur Abduh Pathamanakshe. Okay, Tripura is not even Akaranta Uttarapada. Okay, so Trayanam Puram Samaharaha Pur Shabda, Rephantaha Pur Shabdaha. So Tasya Rukpur Abduh Pathamanakshe Tenena A Samasantaha Kriyate. Ataha Tripura. Okay. So it is not Akarantottarapada. Any other questions? So in Dvigu, the general rule is Samahara Dvigu is Napumsaka. If it is Akaranta Uttarapada, it is Strilinga. Generally, again there are exceptions where you still find it in Napumsakalinga. No, it is Tripura Sundari. Any other questions? Okay, so there is a question. When it is panchanam patranam, why is panchanam gavam? It is go shabda. Go shabda se shashti bahuvachane gavam iti bhavati. So that is why he gave it as an example of sanapumsakam. It is not akarantottara pada. Okay, so pancha go, and there is a goratadhitaluki ityanena touch samasantaha. So it becomes go a gava. Okay, pancha gavam, but it is not gava shabda. Okay, it is go shabda. So panchanam gavam samaharaha. It is go shabdasya shashti. Tatra punaha a iti samasantaha bhavati. Pancha go a iti sthite gava iti bhavati. But the word is not gava, it is go. So that is why there you do not have strilinga. I mean, you do not have application of akarantottara pado dviguhu striyamishtaha. Punyasudinabhyam anha klivata ishta. I saw this already. Anha, the ahan shabda. So ratanha pumsi ityanena pumsi syat. Punyasudinabhyam anha. But when preceded by punya or sudina, it will be in napumsakalinga. Punyaham and sudinaham. Punyaham, punyam ahaha. Okay. इतस्थिते उत्तमैकाभ्यां च इत्यनेन अह्नादेश निषेधः राजाः सखिभ्यश्च च इत्यनेन टच् भवति पुण्या अहन् अ नस्तधिते इति लोपः पुण्या अह सवर्णदीर्घे पुण्याः नपुंसके भवति पुण्याहम् एवं सुदिनाहम् सुदिनम् अहः प्रशस्तपर्यायः सुदिनशब्दः सो अ गुड डे प्रशस्तम् अहः इत्यर्थे सुदिनम् अहः इति विग्रहः कर्मधारय समासः अत्रापि एतद् भवति यस् इट इज अह्नष्टखोरेव not nastadhite. Whenever we come to ahan, it is a niyama sutra. Anhaha takhoreva. Ahan shabdasya tachi khapratyeye cha tilopaha bhavati. Okay, so punyaham sudhinaham ubhayatra ahan a tachi krute anhashtakhoreva ityanena tilopaha. Okay, so I mentioned it as nastadhite, which is for other nakarantas. For ahan, it is पथ संख्या व्ययादेः. So संख्या अव्ययादेः परः कृतसमासान्तः पथशब्दः क्लीबम्. So the word pathin, so we do again samasanta by rikpuradhuh patham apratyayah. So pathin nastadhite titilope path iti bhavati. Sankhya avyayadehe paraha. So when the purva pada is sankhya or avyaya, it will be in napumsakalinga. Trayanam panthaha. Tripatham. So apratyayah tilopaha. Virupaha panthaha. Vipatham. Krita samasanta nirdeshat na iha supanthaha atipanthaha. Shobhanah panthaha. Atishayitah panthaha ityartheshu. Na pujanad iti samasanta nishedhaha. We'll see this sutra later. Pujanarthe samasantaha na bhavati. So it is panthaha. Samasanta is not there. So if there is no samasanta, there is no pumstva. It is, there is no klibatva. So therefore it is remains as pullinga. Paravalingam ityanena pumstvam. Shobhanah panthaha atishayitah panthaha. Atra tu tripatham vipatham ityatra napumsakatvam. So there's a question, is it not covered under sanapumsakam? No, that is only for samahara dvigu or samahara dvandva. This is not dvigu. Right? Trayanam panthaha. Shashti tatpurushaha. Tripatham. It is not mahara. Or virupaha panthaha. Karmadharayaha. So atra sanapumsakam ityasya prasaktihi nasti. Paravalingam ityanena pumstvam syat. तद् तस्य अपवादत्वेन अनेन नपुंसकत्वं विधीयते. सामान्ये नपुंसकम्. So very important Vartika in the sense. Samanye, when you do not know what is the linga, when there is no linganvaya, then we have, in general, we have napumsaka linga. Generally, if linga is not vivakshita, or when you cannot decide which linga, when you cannot decide on a specific linga, then we use napumsaka linga as samanya. Samanye napumsakam. Mridu pachati. He cooks such that it is very soft. Atra mridu shabdaha kriya visheshanaha. It is visheshana to a kriya, to the action of cooking. Okay, because there is a class of words. Shighram gacchati iti vadamaha. So all those are called kriya visheshana, a visheshana to a kriya, what we call an adverb in English. So that which qualifies a kriya is kriya visheshana. So it is dvitiyanta. Okay. So mridu pachati kriya visheshananam karmatvam klivata cha ityeva vartikam asti. Okay. So the klivata is because of this. Samanye napumsakam ityeva. Karmatvam. So they are always in the objective case and they are in napumsakalinga. So the napumsaka is because of the samanya. Since it is a kriya visheshana, you cannot say a gender. Say mruduhu pakaha ityukte. If you are making it a visheshana to a dravya, mrudu kusumam, mrudvi kanya ityadishu. So if it is visheshana, the linga of the visheshana will be the linga of the visheshya. Okay. So dvitiyantam means mrudu here is in dvitiya vibhakti. Okay. So there is a question, what does dvitiyanta mean? It means it is in dvitiya vibhakti. You do not know because it is napumsaka linga. You cannot make out whether it is prathama or dvitiya. Mrudu mruduni mruduni mrudu mruduni mruduni. So here it is dvitiyantam. So since it is a kriya visheshana, you cannot know which linga. If it is a visheshana to a dravya, yallingam yadvachanam yacha vibhaktihi visheshyasya, tallingam tadvachanam sacha vibhaktihi visheshanasyapi. So if it is a normal visheshya, you can decide the linga based on the visheshya. But this is a kriya visheshana and kriya does not have a linga. Right? So kriya does not have direct linga anvaya. So you do not know which linga. Samanye napumsakam. So in general we use napumsaka linga. Pratah kamaniyam. Pratah is morning. Kamaniyam is beautiful. A beautiful morning. Tarte kamaniyam iti visheshanam. To pratah. Pratah is an avyaya. Okay. So it is alinga. Avyaya is called alinga. That is, you do not have any specific linga anvaya. So pratah ityasya visheshanam kamaniyam iti napumsake bhavati. Kamaniya shabda is not an avyaya by itself. You can say kamaniyaha purushaha or kamaniya stri and kamaniyam kimchit pushpam. But here Prataha, since you cannot decide on a particular linga for Prataha, it being an avyaya, samanye napumsakam ityanena napumsakam bhavati. Okay, Pratah kamaniyam. So there is a question. He cooks, how would it work in Tritiya? He cooks with soft stuff. When you are using that, see, in that you say there is no question. Mruduna pachati, mruduna kim, mruduna tandulena or mruduna shakena, whatever. So there it is a visheshana to a dravya. If you are saying mruduna, if you have to use karana, it refers to some dravya. So there it will depend on the linga of the dravya. Okay. So tad vachakatvena visheshanam visheshyasya lingam bhavati. Where it is not a visheshana to a dravya, that is where we cannot decide which linga. There is no particular linga which can apply. So samanye napumsakam bhavati. Okay. So it is not that you cannot have the other things, but in this sense, when it is a kriya visheshana, it is dvitiyanta. Okay. There is one more question. What is the meaning of atipanthaha? Atishaitaha panthaha. A good path. Very A great path actually. Atishayitaha, an excellent path to walk or to travel, whatever. Atipanthaha. There's more question. Mridu Shabda Dvitiyantaha Katham is, that is what? Kriya Visheshananam Karmatvam Ityeva Vartikam. So if it is a Kriya Visheshana, it is treated as a karma. Since it is karma, Karmani Dvitiya Ityanena Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhavati. It is not actually a karma. So it is not the object of action, but there is an artificial karmatva which is being given by the Vartika. Because of that, it is Dvitiyanta. But since it is Napumsakalinga, you cannot make out whether it is Prathamanta or Dvitiyanta. Okay. Because the forms are the same. Any other questions? Tatpurusho nai karmadharayaha. Tatpurushaha ananya karmadharayaha. Anai karmadharayaha. This is, I think I made a mistake. It is one word. Tatpurushaha anai karmadharayaha. Iti ekam padam. So there is a mistake in the typing. So anai karmadharayaha is one word. Adhikaraha ayam. This is an adhikara sutra for further. That is the word. It does not have any meaning of its own. These words are carried over to the next sutras. So Paravalingam Dadvanda Tatpurushayohu Ityataha Prak. From 2419 till 2426 we have this adhikara. So Nai Samasa Karmadharaya Bhinnaha Tatpurushaha. So Tatpurushaha Anai Karmadharayaha iti ekam padam. So that which is not Nai or not Karmadharaya. So Tatpurusha Samasa which is other than Nai Samasa or Karmadharaya. Nai Samasa Karmadharaya Bhinnaha Tatpurushaha Vakshyamana Karya Bhag Bhavati. So the Karya which is told in the coming sutras will apply to Tatpurusha other than Nai and Karmadharaya. Samnyayam Kanthoshinareshu. Samnyayam Kantha Ushinareshu iti trini padani santi. Sanapumsakam ityataha napumsakam iti anuvartate. Kanthantaha tatpurushaha klibam syat. So a tatpurusha samasa ending in kantha will be in napumsakalinga. Sached ushinara deshotpannayaha kanthayaha samnya. If it is the name of a cloth, kantha means a cloth. So a cloth which was made in Ushinara Desha. Ushinara refers to a particular state or a country, a particular place. So if that cloth was made there, if it is a name of a cloth made there, then we have a napumsakalinga for that. Okay. Sushamasya apatyani saushamayaha tesham kantha saushami kantham. So Saushamayaha Ushinara Deshavasinaha. So they are a class of, a particular group of people who live in Ushinara Desha. So Taihi Nirmitayaha Kanthayaha Samnya. So it is almost like a brand. I was amazed when I saw this. It is simply saying that it is a brand name. So it is a name of a cloth. It says Samnya. It is not that which is made by Saushamis themselves. Okay. So it could be they have some people for their working for them and they have made. So it is a particular cloth which was made by them. Saushami Kantham. So it is a particular brand of cloth. Okay. So the counter examples he gives are interesting. Samnyayam Kim Virana Kantha. So Viranas, they are also people who belong to the Ushinara Desha. But here, Virananam Kantha Ityanena, it is not referring to a name of a cloth which is made by them. It is just their cloth. So a cloth which belongs to them or which they are wearing is called Virana Kantha. It is not a Samnya. Okay. So all this, because we don't have the Vyavahara today, we cannot understand this without the commentary or without this. So in today, for us, Saushamikantha or Viranakantha does not make any difference. We won't even understand it. But at Panini's time, when he created this sutra, Saushamikantha was popular as a name, particular cloths which are made there. Okay. Whereas Viranakantha was just some cloth. Okay. So that is given by the word itself. Looking at Saushamikantham, you can say that it is a class or it's a name of a particular cloth. Whereas Viranakantha, if it is Strilinga, it does not refer to a samnya. Okay. Ushinareshu kim. Also, this Napumsaka is seen only in the samnya which is belongs to the Ushinara Desha. Okay. Dakshikantha. So it is also a samnya. Cloth, another brand which is made by Dakshis. Dakshasya Patyani. So the house of Dakshas. Kintu na Ushinara Deshotpanna Kantha. It is not in the Ushinara Desha. So very specific usage which is given. We cannot even find, we will not know other examples of this. If we are asked to give another example for the sutra, we don't know because the Ushinara is not here, the cloth is not here. So it is just a fossil sutra because there is no way we can use it now because Ushinara Desha, first of all we don't have the Ushinara Desha and we obviously don't have a cloth which was made there. So but it gives an indication of how it was a Vyavahara Bhasha at when Panini created the sutra to deal to a particular prayoga. So there is a question, does it refer to Kantha work as seen in Karnataka? I have no idea. Kantha is derived from that. It's just some work on cloth. So Kantha here cannot refer to that. Kantha just means cloth. In Samskara, Kantha is just cloth. So what kind of cloth was it? What work? We have no idea. It would have had something special, obviously. So for it to be identified as the name of a thing, it has to have something special. What it was, we do not know. Upajñopakramam tadadyachikhyaasayam. Upajña upakramam tadadi achikhyaasayam. So napumsakam ityataha napumsakam ityanvartate. Upajñantaha upakramantascha tatpurushaha. So a tatpurusha samasa which ends in upajña or which ends in upakrama will be in napumsaka. So adi achikhyasayam. So tayoho adihi nama prathamyam akhyatu mishyate chet. So we will understand this through the example. Paninehe upajña paninyupajñam granthaha. Upajña is to know. Upajanati iti upajña, that which is known. So Paninehe upajña paninyupajñam granthaha. So Paninina prathamam nyayamanaha. It is he who conceived and wrote. It refers to Ashtadhyayi. Paninyupajñam granthaha is Ashtadhyayi. So it can be known by many people afterwards. But the first person to know it was Panini. So Paninehe upajña. So it is the jnanam, the first being known by Panini. So Prathamam Nyayamanaha. Nyayamanaha iti upajña shabdasya arthaha adi achikhyaasayam. Prathamam Nyayamanaha ityarthe napumsakalingam bhavati Paninyupajñam granthaha. Nandasya upakramaha. Nandopakramam dronaha. Tasti. So Drona is Nandena arabhyamanaha upakramaha. So it is being done, but Nandena upakramaha. The first time it was started by Nanda. So Drona is a measure. Okay, we saw this many times. So Drona Vrihihi. It is a kind of measure. It was introduced by Nanda. Okay, a particular king who introduced that measure, like introducing a particular coin, a measure was introduced by him. So it is called Nandopakramam Dronaha. The Napumsakalinga indicates that it was first introduced by him, Nanda. Okay, Nandasya upakramaha. Upakrama is just something which was started, but the thing is the first time, Adya Chikhyasayam. Say for example, if you look at the counter examples, Devadattopajña Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi is known by Devadatta. So upagnya nama jnayate, devadattena jnayamanaha. So there you do not have the napumsakalinga. It is strilinga. Upagnya shabdah strilinga, stritve eva bhavati, which means it is not for the first time. Okay, for somebody else who is knowing it you can use upagnya, but then it would be strilinga. The first time Paninipagnam Granthaha means it was started, conceived by him. Similarly, Devadattopakkramaha Yagaha, a sacrifice which was started by Devadatta. Okay, he started it, but not for the first time. So yaga is given in the Vedas. Many people have been doing it many times. So if it is something which has started for the first time, Adya Chikhyasayam, Tadaiva Napumsakalingam Bhavati. Paninipagyam Granthaha, Nandopakramam, Dronaha, Ityadivat. Chaya Bahulye. Napumsakam iti anuvartate. Chayantah tatpurushaha napumsakam syat purvapadartha bahulye. So there is one more sutra later, Vibhasha Senasurat Chaya Nishana. So it refers to that. Okay, so there are a couple of questions. I'll come to them before I move here. Sorry, I missed the question. Okay, the first question is Sh and Sh both okay. Where is Talavya and Murdhanya both okay? I don't understand the context. Samya. Sorry, I still don't get the context. Okay. Where do we have the sure? So please tell the word in which you have the question. So the next question is why tat in the sutra? Tadadi achikhyasayam tad, that is upagya and upakrama, the adi of upagya and upakrama. So tasya adyachikhyasayam, the first of what it is the tasya tad upagyasya athva upakramasya adyachikhyasayam ityarthe tat shabdah. So kantha strilingam, so virana kantha, right, viranasya kantha ityata kantha ityasya strilingatvat paravalingan vanda tat purushayoho ityanena virana kantha dakshi kantha ityadishu stritvam. Okay. So Ushinara is only Talavya. Have I anywhere put it as Murdhanya? No. Ushinara is always Talavya Shakara, not Murdhanya. If there is a typing mistake, it is an error. So Ushinara is with Talavya Shakara only. Any other questions? So tadadya chikhyasayam, yes, tasya adihi tadadihi tadadehe achikhyasa, akhyatum ichha achikhyasa, tad adi achikhyasa. Chaya bahulye. So chayantaha tatpurushaha napumsakam syat purva padartha bahulye. So if the purva pada is bahuvachana and it's a tatpurusha samasa ending in chaya, then it will be napumsaka. Ikshuchayam, ikshunam chaya. Chayantaha tatpurushaha purva padartha bahulye. So it is the shade of many sugarcane plants or whatever you call it. So it will be ikshuchayam. Vibhasha Sena इति विकल्पस्य अयम् अपवादः. So the vikalpa comes later. Vibhasha senasuraachaya shala nishanam iti. So there is an optional napumsaka. So this, if it is purva padartha bahulya, then it is compulsory napumsaka ikshuchayam. Bahulye kim? Kudyasya chaya. The shade of a hut. So there is no bahulya of the purva padartha. The purva padartha is one, a single hut. So in that case, it will be optional napumsaka. It will be kudyachaya or kudyachayam by vibhasha senasuraachaya shala nishanam. So if it is purva padartha bahulya, then we have compulsory napumsaka ikshuchayam. Ikshuchaya nishadinyaha iti tu asamanta nishadinyaha iti angshleshah bodhyaha. So in the Raghuvamsha, the fourth sarga, you find a prayoga ikshuchaya nishadinyaha. So nishadinyaha, sitting in the shade of ikshus, the sugarcane plants. So ikshuchaya iti katham. It should be ikshuchaya nishadinyaha. How do we have ikshuchaya nishadinyaha? So he says samantat nishadinyaha. That is completely in the shade of the ikshus ityarthe. Angshleshaha. There is an ang there. Nishadinyaha. Nishadinyaha iti. Ikshuchaya nishadinyaha. Savarna dirghad ikshuchaya nishadinyaha. So there it is not ikshuchaya. Okay, it is actually, the word is ikshuchaya. Napumsakalingam. Okay. So there are also other pathantaras where this one says ikshuchaya nishadinyaha. So in which case we do not have a problem. Okay. So purva padartha bahulye chayantaha tatpurushaha napumsakam syat. Sabha raja amanushya purva. So raja purva sabha. The word sabha, if it is preceded by the name of a king, not the paryaya of a king, or amanushya. So sanapumsakam ityataha napumsakam anuvartate. Raja paryaya purvaha amanushya purvascha sabhantaha tatpurushaha napumsakam syat. So tatpurusha, which is ending in sabha, preceded by raja paryaya. For example, ina sabham, ishvara sabham. Ineshvara shabdau raja paryayau. It means the king's court. Ityarthaha. Inasya sabha, ishvarasya sabha. Ina ishvara shabdau raja paryayau. So ina sabham, ishvara sabham iti bhavati. Paryayasya eva ishyate. So the Vartikakara says this applies only if it is a Raja Paryaya and not the word Raja himself. So Raja Sabha, Rajyaha Sabha ityatra Raja Sabha ityeva. Raja Sabham iti na bhavati. Raja Paryayasya eva ishyate. Very weird thing. And also if it is a name of a particular king, you will not have the Napumsakalinga. Chandragupta Sabha ityatra na bhavati. Rajan iti shabdasya ye paryayaha. So teshu पुंस्त्वं भवति. For example, नृपसभम, भूपालसभम इत्यादयः. ईनसभम, ईश्वरसभम इत्यादि. पर्यायस्य वेश्यते. चंद्रगुप्तसभा इत्यत्र तु न भवति. राजसभा इत्यत्रापि न भवति. And अमनुष्यपूर्व. अमनुष्यपूर्व शब्दः रूढ्य रक्षः पिशाचादीनाः. So it is not just न मनुष्यः इत्यर्थः न. Just like asura is nasuraha. It does not refer to men. Okay, asura refers to demons. Okay, rudhi. It is not just anybody who is not a sura is not an asura. So rudhya rakshasaha eva uchyante. Tathaiva amanushyaha ityanena rudhya rakshasaha pishachadayaha uchyante. So again it is the demons or the pishachas who is given by the word amanushya. It will not mean a god. Okay, amanushyaha ityanena devahanochyate. So it is rudhi. So rakshasabham, pishachasabham ityadi. Rakshasam sabha, rakshasabha. Pishachanam sabha, pishachasabham. Okay, so sabha raja amanushya purva. So raja purva athava amanushya purva. Ashala cha sanapumsakam ityanena napumsakam iti anuvartate. Sanghatarthaya sabha tadantaha tatpurushaha klibam syat. Now the word sabha is used in two senses. It is used to mean a hall. Say Raja Sabha means the court hall of a king. Okay. Similarly, Pishacha Sabha is where it refers to a place, a house or a hall where meeting is held. It also simply means a group or a meeting of people. A group of people is also called a sabha. So ashala, shala means a hall or a house. So ashala means when sabha does not indicate a building or a house. So sanghatartha ya sabha, when it indicates a group. So tadantaha tatpurushaha klibam syat. So then also the tatpurusha will be in napumsakalinga. Stri sabham, it means a group of women who have come together. Stri sanghataha ityarthaha. Ashala kim? Dharma sabha. So if you have dharma sabha, it means a dharmashala. It is a house where, say, food is given to travelers. So since it refers to a shala, a house or a hall, it is strilinga. If it refers to a group, then it will be napumsaka. So the word sabha, if it refers to a hall, only if it is preceded by rajaparyaya or amanushya, you have napumsaka. Otherwise, it is strilinga. If it refers to a group, always it will be napumsakalinga. Stri sabham, purusha sabham. You can have anything. Okay. Okay. So there's a question which I will deal afterwards. So after this sutra, the sutra, next sutra is Vibhasha Sena Sura Chaya Shala Nishanam. So Vibhasha, optional napumsaka, napumsakam iti anuvartate. Sena Sura Chaya Shala Nishanam. So if the tatpurusha, etadantaha tatpurushaha, a tatpurusha which is ending in Sena Sura Chaya Shala Nisha will be in napumsaka optionally. Brahmana Senam, Brahmana Sena. Brahmananam Sena, an army of Brahmins ityarthe. Brahmana Senam ityapi bhavati, Brahmana Sena ityapi bhavati. Yavasuram, Yavasura. Sura shabdaha. Sura means a drink. It's what you call Madhyam ityarthaha. So Yava sya Sura. So a Sura which is made of Yava, particular paddy. So liquor made of paddy ityarthe. Yavasuram, Yavasura. Chaya, Kudyachayam, Kudyachaya. So in Chaya, if Purapada is singular, then it is optional napumsaka. If it is bahuvachana, it is compulsory bahuvachana. Okay. So Goshalam, Goshala. Gavam, Shala. So Goshalam, Goshala ityubhayam bhavati. Shvanisham, Shvanisha. Interesting thing. Shunaha Nisham. Shunaha Nisha. So a night of dogs. So what is a night of dogs? Commentary says it refers to Krishna Chaturdashi. The Chaturdashi of the dark fortnight. Krishna Paksha is called Shvanisham. Why? Tasyam kechit chhanaha upavasanti iti pratitihi. The Shabara Bhashya of the Mimamsa, he says, Shunaha Chaturdashyam upavasataha pashyamaha. Yes, we see some dogs who fast on Krishna Chaturdashi. Okay, so dogs fasting on Krishna Chaturdashi was a known thing at the time of Shabara. Okay, who wrote Shabara Swami is Shabara Bhashya is one of the earliest bhashyas for the Mimamsa Sutras. So we do not know how this, but because of that, Shvanisham or Shvanisha refers to the Krishna Chaturdashi. Okay. So Tatpurushaha Anai Karmadharayaha. We saw the Adhikara. So in all these sutras, it refers to Tatpurusha which is not Nai and not Karmadharaya. Therefore, Dridhasenaha Raja. Dridha Sena Yasya Saha. Dridhasenaha. If it is a Bahuvrihi Samasa, we do not have napumsaka because it refers only to tatpurusha. And asena, na sena asena, if it is a nai samasa, we do not have napumsakatva or whatever sutras. Paramasena, in karmadharaya, these rules will not apply. So it will apply to a tatpurusha which is not nai and not karmadharaya. Okay, so that is the end of this. So there are a few questions. So the first question is kudya. I said if kudya is singular, since kudya is singular, it is optional. This. What if it is bahuvachana? See, you have to look at the intent. So kudya is a hut. You cannot have the shades of two or more huts together. It will refer to the shade of one hut. Okay, so that is why the example is kudyasya chaya. But if you go to ikshu chaya, you cannot separate the shade of one ikshu. I mean, you have growth of canes and there will be a shade which is collectively caused by the ikshus. That is why it is always bahuvachana, ikshunam chaya. Okay, whereas in this case it is kudyasya chaya. Okay, so if it is bahuvachana, theoretically if it is bahuvachana, then it has to be nitya napumsakalinga. But in case of kudya, I don't think a bahuvachana will make will be actually correct. Okay. Of course, there might be some special intent. You can say that the kudyas are built so close together that the chayas are not able, I mean, they cannot be separated. Anyway, theoretically, if it is bahuvachana, it will be nitya napumsakalinga. If it is ekavachana, it is optional napumsaka. Okay. So there is one more question on dharma sabham. I don't know what is the question. Is it about the meaning? It just means a dharmashala, where it is shala for dharma, like where you dharmashala is where usually food is provided for tourists and all. That is the dharma sabham. Same sense. Can also be something else related to dharma, okay. Like say where the dharmic discussions take place. That also can be called dharma sabham. But by Rudhi, Dharmashala or Dharma Sabham refers to a place of shelter and food for travelers. Any other questions? So we have finished. Tatpurusha Samasa Prakaranam. Okay, so there is one more question. Shwanisham. What is the question about Shwanisham? I told you, it means Krishna Chaturdashi. It refers to the Chaturdashi of Krishna Paksha. The Vigrahavakya is Shunahanisham, the night of dogs. But it refers to the Krishna Chaturdashi because of the belief that some dogs undertake fasting in that night. I do not know what is the origin of that. I mean, whether it's an observation or something, we do not know. But it is seen in Granthas. So the next prakarana is Bahuvrihi, which starts with Sheshaha Bahuvrihi. It comes towards the fag end of the samasa. If you look at the Ashtadhyayi, Samartha Paravidhihi starts 2-1-1, the first sutra of the second pada. So all through that pada and the next pada, second pada, the majority is for Avyayibhava and Tatpurusha. Majority is Tatpurusha samasa. So Bahuvrihi and Dvandva occupy very little place at the end. Sheshaha, he says the rest. Shesho Bahuvrihi, Adhikaraha. Okay, it's an Adhikara which covers 2 to 23 to 5 or 6 sutras. So samasa which is given from now on is to be termed Bahuvrihi. Okay. What is Sheshaha? So there is Dvitiya ityadina yasya trikasya vishishya samasaha noktaha sa Sheshaha prathamantam. So in Bahuvrihi, it is usually the prathamanta words which combine. Okay. So that is it. We'll see. We'll start with Bahuvrihi Prakarana in the next class. मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते.